Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, in today's video, I am going to be doing a purse cleanup, which I haven't done actually ever. So this is basically going to be a what's in my travel bag video. I don't ever film myself packing. I think I filmed myself packing for one trip back in like 2019 when I went to Turks and Caicos, because packing in general, for me at least, is just so hectic. I know people that will pack like 2 weeks before their trip. I am not one of those people. I like to wear my clothes. If I pack something for my trip, for example, and then I'm going out somewhere and then I'll be like, I want to wear that, I'll have to take it out of the suitcase. It's like a whole thing. And also I can't pack my toiletries until literally the morning of, because I need my toothpaste, I need to wash my face, I need all these things that I don't have like double or triple of. So I think packing in general for me is super hectic, but I'm gonna be doing an unpack with me and you guys can see how I travel. So as you may or may not know, you probably don't know yet because I don't think I've posted any vlogs. I haven't posted a vlog in literally forever. Now that I have a better camera for vlogging, it's really hard for me to transfer the footage from my camera to my phone to my computer. So it's a whole thing. I haven't posted a vlog in a while. I basically went to Costa Rica, had a lot of fun. You guys will be seeing vlogs in the near future. And yeah, if you are not already subscribed, by the way, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get right into this video. I did the unboxing for this purse actually while I was in the airport. I edited the video, posted the video, all of that while I was in the airport in Toronto, I think. But yeah, this is the purse that I traveled with. Unfortunately, the flight that I took did not have a carry-on luggage included. It only had a personal item, which I kind of cheated. I kind of had 2 personal items. I had this humongous bag plus my little Gucci Soho Disco just like wrapped around me. It's really hard for me to just have one bag for the plane. I usually have more because I like to pack my shoes in my carry-on and I couldn't do that. But yeah, I was only gone for a week, so this is basically my airport bag. It's overflowing. This is not my favorite airport bag. I will say the Neverfull actually might fit a bit more than this, but this bag is really sturdy. It has a really nice thick handle, so this didn't hurt my shoulder when I was walking around the airport with it, even though it's like definitely overflowing. Like this is what it looks like. It's a little ridiculous. And if I was going to, you know, like a more unsafe country, this probably wouldn't be the best because it's just open. It's just open. You can literally take this out of my bag and I probably wouldn't have noticed. So yeah, this is my LV carry-all. And I got this from Babble of Bags. If you guys are interested in looking for this, the quality is really amazing. Love the bag. And I think it's a good everyday tote bag, just not really for me for traveling because I carry way too many things. But yeah, overall, it's a cute bag. I love it. And you guys will get to see it empty as well. If you are interested in checking them out, I will leave my coupon code somewhere on the screen. So let's get right into what is in my travel / airport carry-on. The first thing I'm gonna take out is this. This is a souvenir that I got for one of my friends. And I just didn't want to pack it in my suitcase, obviously, because it is a breakable Christmas ornament. So I just put it into here just so it would stay safe. And it's basically just the map of Costa Rica. Super cool. And it says Pura Vida on it. If you've been to Costa Rica, you know that that's on like all of their souvenirs and all that. I got a keychain for my mom. Like this, just a little monkey. I only saw one monkey the whole time I was there. I was really sad about it. And then this is a fridge magnet, and on it, as you guys can see, it says Enjoy Pura Vida Country. So I'll actually open this so you guys can see what it looks like. It's super cute. I'm gonna go put this on my fridge. It has the elusive blue butterfly on it that was literally so hard for me to capture on camera. I actually don't think I ended up capturing it on camera, but I went on a few hikes and this butterfly, I swear, was like following me. It's this huge blue, beautiful butterfly, but very, very elusive, really hard to photograph and all that. So I got that. This is my portable charger, my battery bank, which I needed for my flight from Toronto to Calgary because there was no chargers. Well, there was a charger, but it wasn't actually emitting any electricity. Like, you could plug it in, but it didn't charge your phone or anything. So I have charger cable. I didn't know if Canada was gonna be really cold when I came back or not, so I have pants. I have leggings, super easy to bring with you and a carry-on. I highly recommend that. Bringing something that you can just roll up, because I was wearing shorts coming home. But yeah, again, like, I didn't know how cold it would be, so I just decided to bring leggings just in case. I have my sunglasses in here. The case is like folded up because it was in one of the side pockets. These are my sunglasses from the Gate. If you know, you know. Love these. I also have my prescription glasses from KZ Fu. And I brought the rose gold glasses, which I needed for my jungle walk because it was at night. I didn't drive the whole time I was in Costa Rica, so I didn't really have to worry about putting these on. Next up is this little case that I have here. I carry this with me whenever I'm hiking or anything like that. It just basically has camera equipment for my DJI camera. It has my... This I needed on this trip, okay, because my phone was full multiple times and I had to transfer over footage. This is my USB, so I had to add like footage on there and everything like that. I have my DJI mic, I have my head mount, and I have a bunch of UV filters for my camera. My camera actually does fit in here, but normally like I need it for vlogging and stuff, so I kind of keep it at a place where I can just take it out, you know? So that's that. This is from Shein. Some paperwork for my car rental. I went with National and I booked it through WestJet. So I got a deal, but it wasn't that great of a deal because we upgraded the vehicle to a RAV4. So it was more money, but that's fine. I have deodorant in here, definitely must have if you are traveling. I wish we had those deodorant wipes that they have in Japan. It's like almost like a bath wipe. We do have bath wipes at my work and I was gonna bring some with me. Before this trip, I actually did 2 trips. I went to Vancouver and I went to Lake O'Hara. So I was like traveling for all of September and I didn't actually get to bring bath wipes with me, but you know, deodorant works. I have my camera in its case here, my DJI camera. And I'm sure you guys have seen this before. This is what I record my vlogs with. Next up, the biggest thing, probably the most heaviest thing in this bag is my makeup bag. I think this makeup bag is so ugly. I don't like it. I never liked it and I was actually gonna give it away when I first got it. Holt Renfrew in Calgary. If you guys know Holt Renfrew, it's basically like our Saks Fifth Avenue or like a Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, that kind of thing. It's like a luxury store. And if you spend enough money there, back in 2010, 2012, around there, they would give you a free gift every year based on how much your spending was. And I got this makeup bag. And yeah, I do think it's really ugly, but it holds all my stuff. It is my travel makeup bag and honestly my everyday makeup bag because I still don't have my vanity in this apartment or anything like that set up yet. It's been a year, but I still don't have that. And in here, I just have regular makeup that I carry with me on a daily basis. Some stuff I didn't actually use on this trip, like my eyeshadow palette. I did bring electrolytes because, you know, tropical country. I knew I would be doing some hikes and stuff like that, but it wasn't that hot. It was just more humid than anything. I have a setting spray, just like a bunch of setting sprays. My everyday makeup, which, you know, BB cream, must have, especially for the tropics. And then like powder. I also have my vitamins in here. This isn't just vitamin D, it is vitamin C. And well, let me just like pull this out. See, like a bunch of different things going on here. My multivitamin, vitamin B12, just everything in here. And I put that all in my makeup bag. I also have jewelry here at the front, which I didn't wear. But like I have earrings in here and stuff like that. I just have, you know, really cute earrings in here, but I was just doing more active things where I didn't really need to like dress up or anything. I did not wear any of the jewelry that was in there. Also, my hair today is super frizzy. I didn't straighten it or anything like that. I showered last night after the plane and I just feel like it's so frizzy, but that's okay. This is my tripod for my camera. It is a charging tripod. That's the only reason why I bought it. It's also like, you know, a backup battery bank if my other battery bank is like empty. But this isn't the best tripod. It's a good handheld one, but it just doesn't expand or anything like that. It's just tiny, super, super tiny. And yeah, that is that. I also brought a headlamp with me because I don't know why. I just thought maybe that we might need it if we were doing any hikes and it was getting dark or something. I knew that being closer to the equator meant like the sun sets kind of early, because anytime I go to like the Philippines or anything like that, it gets dark really. See, look at how bright that is. Crazy, right? This is from Dollarama, by the way, which is an insane steal for this, because I spent like $40 on my headlamp and I feel like this one's better. Anyways, yeah, I just feel like I went to the tropical country. I wanted to have this just in case we were gonna get caught in the dark or anything like that, because the sun sets a little bit earlier. I didn't need that, but I had it. I have my block for my phone, hair tie, granola bar just in case, you know, I get hungry. I have airplane snacks in here too that I did not eat. I have these cookies that you get on WestJet flights. I have one of these, just like a phone camera microfiber cloth, because I can't stand it when footage is fingerprinty or something like that. So I have that in here. I have a bunch of napkins from the WestJet flight, and then I have my AirPods, which were completely necessary for the flights. And then what's nice about this bag, I just kind of threw all that stuff back in here. What's nice about this bag is it actually has 2 compartments, so that's where my sunglasses were and my glasses, and then it has a zip compartment right here. I actually kept the protector on the zipper, if you guys are wondering what that is. It's just the protector so the zipper doesn't get like damaged or anything like that. I just kind of left it on. I actually did have one bath wipe with me. Yeah, I had one just in case, but I didn't use it. I have allergy meds just in case. It's always good to have those. Again, more airplane snacks. Always great to have snacks with you. I have a lip color that I didn't use by Huda Beauty. This is the color Gossip Girl. I have a pack of gum that I got in Costa Rica, and it's vanilla mint. I don't think we have this flavor here in Canada, so I decided to pick it up. I also have my Excel gum. This is my favorite. It's really, really good. And last but not least, I have my Moody Bee chapstick in Lavender Earl Grey, which is my favorite chapstick. Love that one. I do have a separate one for SPF and stuff like that, but this is just kind of like my everyday chapstick if I'm on the plane or something like that, or just like everyday life where I'm not in the sun. But yeah, that is my bag. Sorry, I kind of just threw everything back in, but now you guys can see it where it's not overly stuffed. And I honestly thought it would be, you know, like it would fit a little bit better in here, and then I could actually close it, because there is obviously a thing here where you can close the bag, but I didn't even bother with that because it was so full. And I love the fact also that it has feet. It has feet so it doesn't damage your bag whenever you need to put it down or anything like that at the airport. That is all that I carry with me on the airplane. Like I said, usually I carry more. If I can have a carry-on, I do carry a gym bag and I put my shoes in there. My camera died and I needed to charge it, and then the sun went down. So that's it. Like, I wanted to end the video by saying thank you for watching. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.